fairly early for us to be predicting what that experience is going to be. I do think, just as media companies, this is probably for marketing people to look at, just as media companies are working hard at making their apps a very enjoyable, unique experience, and very different on iPad and certainly on Kindle with the next iteration of what Kindle may be. I think there's an opportunity for marketers to also do that in regard to their ad experiences. When you look at our website, just if you looked at it 5 years ago and you look at it now, and you see how advertisers have really taken advantage of video content, of larger engagement in regard to page use, screen use, I should say, and page use. It's an opportunity, I think, for them to really be extremely creative in regard to how they look at quote-unquote digital advertising. And I think many of them are showing that they are well up to the task.
And one of the joys of our R&D lab, actually, is that it's been a useful place for us to bring advertising agencies and advertising clients, and to give them a bit of an understanding where we see things moving and what are some of the opportunities for them.
Many people have, to Arthur's good point, many of the people that we have utilizing our products, particularly in the digital format, do go through our R&D lab, seeing not only our in-depth use of web analytics and how we put pages together, how the pages really are designed for stronger behavioral targeting, but they also look at what indeed the trending may be in regard to consumer habits going forward, and really prototypes when we start with them and how indeed we then integrate them in regard to product. The reason why we did put an R&D lab in many years ago now, and we were the first in our industry to do that, was primarily we didn't want to be, responsive after the fact in regard to a consumer trend.